day one of our outside adventure. We got Justin here. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
This is our vlog. There's Lindsay. And there's the epic noodles. You can't see him, but he's a little pug. And there's the epic cheese orb in the sky. Here he is.
We could blind him.
We got Justin.
Yeah.
We're holding hands because we're scared. If
just goes facing.
Lindsay, get him away from them. No. If you find this, that means we died from getting hit by a car. I know my accent is terrible, so I'm gonna can't drink instead. Right, Bob? Hey, you wanna hear my laugh?
What?
No, I'm laughing. Okay, we're almost home. We're at the scary old lady's house. We went round the block, and it's kind of scary. We are walking the dog, and it's kind of scary. Welcome to our vlog, day number 1. We're scared out of our minds.
Look at his hood, guys.
Oh.
Look at his hood.
I'm looking. This might be short. That's because we went on a short walk.
Orange light. Orange tree.
There's orange lights everywhere.
Actually, it's an orange tree.
Did y'all hear talking?
Yeah. Because I can blue ones.
No.
Tree.
No, we're going inside the house because I'm scared.
Yeah, we're going inside the house.
Turn up the volume if you can hear that. Someone saying something. Tell me. Because I'm kind of scared and petrified.
Yeah, it sounds like some kind of scary monster saying switch A to Z. So you can actually just make it switch A to Z. So you come Z. You see.
Oh, yeah?
X, Y, A.
Tell him to sit.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, don't sit then.
Sit.
No, right now say it. Say his name.
Noodles.
No. Look, we